Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. This is Farhan Khan, your learning partner again. And today we will see an interesting feature which is available in SharePoint Online Document Library, known as check-in and check-out feature. Checkout feature basically means that you want someone or other person to lock your file before he is editing it so that no other user can edit it. Let's see how we can do that. Go to the ellipsis, click on more, and you will find that option checkout. The moment you click onto that, you see there is an option which will appear again. What does it mean? That you have checked out this item. Since I'm doing this, that's the reason it is showing like this. But if you want to know the name of the person, what you can do is you can go to the edit view, you will find that option checked out to. Check this option and press OK. Now you can see this particular document is being checked out to by whom. And whenever I'm done editing with this file, what I can do is I can go ahead and check in this file and put my comments. Basic details are updated. But when you go to the document library settings, more library settings, and when you go to the versioning setting of it, of the library I'm talking about, so if you see by default, that option is set to off. So if you have a requirement where you want each and every individual from the document library should forcibly or maybe mandatorily check out your document before he can edit, you have to set it on like this. And now let's see if I go to the document library again, and let's say I create another document, my basic details. I write something into that and I close this without saving it. Why? Because that's auto save functionality provided by SharePoint. So if you see, document one is automatically checked out with my name. Why? Because now I have made it mandatory. Let me just try and check in this. Updated. I'll put some comments if I want to. That's not mandatory. You can anyhow go and skip this.